Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss the second part of Out of Business story, which has been compiled by R.K. Narayan. In second part, we will discuss the polite or the miserable economic condition of Ramara because Ramara suffered due to collapse of business. Now, their family was not having any source of income. In this search, in this pursuit, Ramara was trying his luck. He saw a journal. The name of journal was the Captain. The Captain. It had 4 pages only and contained nothing but cross puzzles. For each entry, one had to invest a rupee only. But for Ramara, even that much was a big amount. However, he got it from his wife and sent an entry. He had all hope of winning the prize. However, he got it from his wife and sent an entry. He had all hope of winning the prize. But he was badly disappointed when the results came. There was no prize for him. In this way, he sent again and again entries to this journal, but all times he failed to get the reward. Now, week after week, Ramara had been sending his entries for the cross puzzles competition. He always hoped to win prize, but never got any. So he decided to send in at last 4 entries altogether, but again he failed to get the prize. Ramara had all hope that he would win a big prize in the special class puzzles competition, but his chances of winning were shaken when he found that his name was not figuring in the winners. He decided to end his life on the railway line. He started walking along the line and reached a few miles from the town. There he lay down across the line. A train was due in a few minutes. Ramarao kept lying for quite some time, but the train did not come. He became tired and got up. He walked towards the station. There he came to know that the train was train was hit by an accident. Thus Ramara was in no doubt that God has shown him mercy. He came back and he was received wholeheartedly by her wife, and her wife told her that the tenant has decided that he will buy their house on good amount, and they decided that they will give this house to the tenant, and he will move to the Madras where he will get some job. So this is the climax of this story. In this story, we came to know two things. One was the role of Ramarao's wife. She was very kind lady. Second was which we discussed, that God has shown him mercy. And third, after hardships, the good days come. A person must try to face the hardships, and after hardships, the prosperous days due to a person. So this was all about Out of Business story. Hope you have enjoyed this lecture, and hope you will subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.